How to blend two images in Photoshop. Now this is the image 1. Let's say I want to blend another image with it. What I'll do is I'll go to my files here and find this option, and now I'll select here. So as you can see that the image is placed on the previous one. Now what I'll do is I'll go to this normal option and convert this. So these are a lot of options you can select according to your need. Not everything will perfectly match your photo. You have to see by scrolling. Let's say the overlay, soft light, what will match best here. I think this is the best I can find here. So as you can see that both of these images are blended. So this is how you can do blendeds in Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.